I used the Bingx crypto trade bot for 60 days. You won't believe what happened when I used the Bingx crypto trade bot for 60 days straight. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. It's your boy Ryan, back again with another juicy story about my experience using the Bingx crypto trade bot. Now, I know what you're thinking, another bot. Really, Ryan? But trust me, this one is different. I've tried a bunch of these trading bots in the past, and let me tell you, they've been a mixed bag. Some have made me a decent profit, while others have left me feeling like I just got robbed by a sneaky pickpocket. But this time, it's different. I decided to take the Bingx crypto trade bot for a spin, and let me tell you, the results were nothing short of mind-blowing. I'm talking about a level of success that I never could have imagined, and I'm here to share it all with you. So, buckle up, my friends, because this is going to be one wild ride. Now, before we dive in, let me just say that I'm no stranger to the world of cryptocurrency. I've been in this game for a while, and I've seen my fair share of ups and downs. But this experience with the Bingx crypto trade bot has been something else entirely. It's like I've discovered the holy grail of trading bots, and I can't wait to share it with you. First things first, let's talk about the bot itself. I'll be honest, when I first heard about it, I was a little skeptical. I mean, there are so many trading bots out there, and a lot of them are just snake oil salesmen trying to make a quick buck. But when I looked into the Bingx crypto trade bot, I was pleasantly surprised. The team behind it seems to be legit, and they've got a solid track record of success. Plus, the bot itself is powered by some seriously advanced algorithms that are able to analyze the market in real time and make split-second decisions on when to buy and sell. And let me tell you, those decisions have been paying off big time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, but how much did you actually make, Ryan? Well, let me break it down for you. Over the course of 60 days, I've seen my portfolio grow by a staggering 37%. That's right, 37%. And that's not just on paper. I've been able to cash out a good chunk of those profits, and let me tell you, it feels pretty damn good. But the best part is, I haven't even had to lift a finger. The Bingx crypto trade bot has been doing all the heavy lifting for me, and it's been an absolute game changer. I used to spend hours poring over charts trying to figure out the perfect time to buy and sell. But now, I just let the bot do its thing, and the profits just keep rolling in. And you know what the crazy part is? It's not just me who's been crushing it with this bot. I've been talking to other users, and they're all reporting similar levels of success. It's like we've found the secret sauce, and we're all reaping the benefits. Now, I know what you're thinking. All right, Ryan, enough with the hype. What's the catch? Well, the truth is, there really isn't one. The Bingx crypto trade bot is legit, and it's been an absolute game changer for me and countless others. But there's one thing I want to mention. When you sign up for Bingx, make sure to use the referral code 911. That way, you can get in on the action and start making some serious profits too. And the best part is, you don't even have to take my word for it. You can see for yourself by watching the video that I've put together. I'll be breaking down all the nitty-gritty details of my experience with the Bingx crypto trade bot, and I'll even be showing you some of the actual trade data and results. So, what are you waiting for, my crypto-loving friends? Go ahead and click that link, sign up for Bingx using the referral code 911, and start making some serious bank. And make sure to watch the video all the way to the end. You won't want to miss out on this one. Alright, that's all I've got for now. But stay tuned because I've got a ton more juicy stories and insights to share with you. This is just the beginning, my friends. The Bingx crypto trade bot is about to take the world by storm, and I'm proud to be a part of it. So, let's get to it, shall we?